We have one mandate, and it hasn't changed since we started the program, and that's to prepare students for successful careers in animation. There's nothing else if that's our one goal. My name is Don Perro. I'm the coordinator of the 2D commercial animation program. The whole idea of becoming a teacher was to get people over that hurdle where you have such a strong foundation of skill that you can take on all the challenges and do well. Not just get a job, but to have 3 studios begging for you to work for them, and then you can decide what you want to do, pick the job that's going to take you further.
One of the things that we're taught, even though we're taught traditional animation, is that we're taught to think in 3D, to be able to express 3D on a 2-dimensional surface. We're taught to have a very broad mindset here. We're taught to be able to adapt, to be able to do several things. I've met people who've gone through the 2D program here. They've gotten out into the industry. They've been able to get into 3D studios and basically be that jack of all trades.
I definitely think that they are preparing us. There's a wide range of classes that are designed to sort of help you get a wide range of experience in different areas, and they really focus on trying to make your skills useful. They teach you what you need to know for the industry.
With the Cintiqs, we're starting to use TV Paint, which is a really great paperless animation. So it works just like you would with paper, except everything's digital. And so the technology has really helped us. The quality of the work jumped at least 10-15% because they were on the Cintiqs all the time. So they were more efficient, they were using color more.
It's like you would work on paper with flipping and stuff, but because of the Cintiq, it's way more fun and way more nice. I think if we had to do all our work on traditional paper, I'd like it, but it would be a lot more difficult for me. The fact that I'm using a Wacom and TV Paint, there's lots of room to take risks because you can work so much faster, so if you make a bunch of mistakes, it's okay. You can delete it, you can do it all again, everything's more efficient and nice.
Each person in our class gets their own Cintiq that they can use whenever they want to work on their projects with, and we can follow along when the instructor is doing a demonstration. It really speeds up the animation process as well because you can draw directly on the screen and you can see immediately what your drawings look like when you play them back, and I think that's super important because animating on paper is nice as well, but it really sort of slows you down, whereas working on the Cintiq is just so much faster and easier.
One of the things that we discovered when we get here was that these magical things called the Cintiqs allowed you to be a traditional artist in the digital age. When you're drawing on paper, you're looking at where you're going. Usually your eyes are just a pinch in front of your hands, and you're able to do the same thing here. You're still being that traditional artist. What the digital does is it gives you the flexibility, gives you the instant playback, layers, and all that ta-da. And you're still able to keep your hand-eye coordination. But that just makes all the difference in the world.